Did you know nearly 40% of greenhouse gas emissions in Fairfax County come from cars and trucks? To reduce these emissions, save money, and improve your health, try these 4 ways to drive less and be carbon-free. Number 1. Bike or walk when you can. Trails and bike routes across the county are suitable for all ages and abilities. You may reduce your risk of heart disease, cancer, or diabetes. Number 2. Take public transit. Fairfax County has 13 metro stations and over 90 Fairfax Connector bus routes. Discounted fare programs and monthly passes are available for riders. Number 3. Consider carpooling. Sharing driving duties reduces fuel and maintenance costs. Some carpool programs offer cash incentives, which is more money in your wallet. Take advantage of high-occupancy vehicle lanes while carpooling. Explore commuter connections or park-and-ride locations nearby for ride-sharing options. Number 4. Plan ahead. Even if you are driving on your own, you can try trip chaining. Plan efficient routes to reduce the number of stops you have to make. You'll save on gas and reduce emissions. For more tips on how to be carbon-free, visit our website